In this video, we'll be looking at how you can share a quiz template with another person so that they may edit their own version of the quiz. How to send the quiz template. Once you have opened the quiz you would like to share, click on the green Send or Share button near the top right of the screen. Then look at the Share as a Template section of the menu and click on the Get a Link to Duplicate icon. To take a copy of the duplicate link, click on the Copy button next to it. You can now send this duplicate link via an email to the person you would like to share with. How can the duplicate link be used? If you have been sent a duplicate link and you have clicked on it, you may be asked to enter your office.com account details. If you're already logged into your account, the link will open the quiz in Microsoft Forms. On the top of the screen, you will notice a green button named Duplicate It. When this is clicked, the quiz will be saved into your Microsoft Form account and it will open the quiz in the edit mode. You can now make adjustments to the quiz to tailor it to your needs. Once you are happy with the quiz, you can send it to your students to complete. How can a group edit the same quiz? If your school or company has an Office 365 subscription, you'll be able to use a feature which enables collaborative editing of the same quiz. If we look at the quiz I've created here, I can give other people permission to edit my quiz so that they can make changes to my questions or add more questions. To do this, you need to click on the Share button on the top right of the screen. This opens the Share menu. At the bottom of the screen, you will see there is a Share to Collaborate section. Click on the Get a Link to View and Edit icon. You can now copy the collaboration link and give it to others. When they click on the link, they will have permission to edit your quiz. In this video, you have learnt how to share your quiz with others so that they are able to use the quiz with their students. If you have found this video helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more useful videos, and click on the notification bell.